Hello, in this video we will learn how to make emoji stickers. That is, we will learn how to make a sticker out of a regular emoji. Let's see how to do it. First, let's log into WhatsApp and make sure we don't have any stickers. From the previous video, we only have this sticker left. There is nothing more. We exit WhatsApp. Now we need to enter the Play Market and download the Sticker Maker application. Here is the app you need to install. I already installed it. After installation, exit it and go to any browser to download materials for stickers. Go to Chrome and type Emoji Man in the search bar. We go into Images and we see such a man. We click on it and on Download Image button. Let's now download a baby image. Select this image and click on Download Image. Let's change the name. The picture is moving, by the way. Let's download the third picture. It will be a girl. Press to download it. That's it. We have downloaded the pictures. Now we go to the sticker maker. Here is our last pack. Let's create a new one by clicking on Create a new sticker pack. Give the sticker pack a name, like Emoji Pack by Study. In the Author field, write Study Studio and click Create. Our pack has been created. We go into it. Here we need to add the cover of our sticker pack. Click on Tray icon and on Open Gallery. We go to the gallery and select any sticker. Now we need to cut out the face. You can do it more carefully. Now let's write the text man, like this. And then we save it. Here we have our cover. Now let's add pictures for stickers. We choose a girl. We cut it out. Make an outline and save. Click Open Gallery again and add baby. Cut it and save. Click on Add to WhatsApp. We are asked to wait. Now we have to choose WhatsApp. I choose a regular WhatsApp and click on Add. That's it. Now the pack has been added to our WhatsApp. Now we go to WhatsApp. Click on the emoji and here we see our pack. Click on it and send. Everything works. Everything is perfect. Thank you all for watching. Turn on notifications, hit the like button, and see you soon.